Let's dive into the world of participle phrases and discover their functions in sentences. A participle phrase is a group of words that includes a participle, either present or past, along with its modifiers and other related words. It's essential to remember that these phrases always act as adjectives, adding detail and description to nouns in a sentence. For example, consider this sentence: The kids making a noise need food. Here, making a noise is the participle phrase that modifies kids. It tells us more about what the kids are doing. Another example is, I received a letter mentioning my exam. The phrase mentioning my exam modifies letter, giving us more context about the content of that letter. Let's look at another one. The table made of steel is too expensive. In this case, a made of steel tells us what kind of table we're talking about. It's not just any table, it's a steel one, which is crucial information. And here's one more. We saw a car damaged in an accident. The phrase damaged in an accident modifies car, providing important details about its condition. Now, how do you identify a participle phrase in a sentence? First, look for a verb that ends in achang or said. If you find one, check if it's accompanied by modifiers or additional words. If it is, you likely have a participle phrase. Another tip is to see if the phrase can be removed from the sentence without losing the main idea. For instance, in the kids making a noise need food, if you take out making a noise, the core sentence the kids need food still makes sense. Let's practice with a few more examples. The dog barking loudly chased the mailman. Here, barking loudly modifies dog. Or consider the book written by a famous author became a bestseller. The phrase written by a famous author modifies book, giving us insight into its origin. Remember, participle phrases add richness to our writing. They help paint a clearer picture and provide context. So, as you write, think about how you can use these phrases to enhance your sentences. Whether you're describing a scene, a character, or an object, participle phrases can be your best friend in crafting vivid and engaging sentences.